What are you doing? 48013, YJ15, ABZ. Can you get the bus ticket for me, 48013? I don't know, but the wind might help. Ooh. No, you're not over near it. Oh, whoa, 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 you haven't opened your gate, mate. Ooh, ooh, ooh. If that bus rolls backwards, that's 48013 done. Oh, damn. I know that driver. He barely got any space behind her. Poor thing. 48013. That's YJ15, ABZ. Still aiming for that bus ticket. But I doubt it'll happen with that driver. I think I'm better standing this side. I'm standing here as you see it. Having issues. Where's your reversing sounds? 48013? You're not suitable for Exeter bus station. That driver won't grab it, will he? 48013. You do not sound great. Back to you, 48013. I'm under Plymouth return. Well, the reason why they got returned is because they got new buses now. Still aiming for this bus ticket. So do you think that's... I've been trying to reach this bus ticket that's here for ages. I've been trying to reach a bus ticket that's here for ages. Having no luck with it. I've been trying to reach a bus ticket that's in there for ages. I've tried everything. Having no luck with it at all though. Let's just hope I can reach it. That's a close call, but she somehow survived. I'm surprised they sent her back down, see what she's going all the time. I'm surprised they didn't keep her for a check-up. No. Oh. Oh. Hey, if I... What's a mess? It's the easiest challenge. Oh! I knocked it. I need to at least free it. I'm weighing it down though, aren't I? Seagull? Are you gonna land? No. Magpie! Where must he go? Seagull! Nope. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Oh no. No, you're not going to actually. I jinxed it. Oh no, not another bear, not another bear, not another bear, not another bear. I'm not even going to record it. It's so crazy. Right, now the other bear's for this as well. No, 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 you're not. No, you're not. Oh my god! What? Another bear doing it. Oh my god. Oh no, no, that bear just did it. Oh! No, you're not going to actually see seagulls. Let me set the cover up here. That was available. You're not doing it again, seagulls, surely not. Oh, oh my god! Oh my. Bak bak bak. Ten six eight eight. I say 66 for you X. Oh my god. I said 66 for you X. 10688. What the hell have I caused? Sorry, puppy. Oh my god. Kind driver gave me some flashes. Is it right if you hold the horn, please?
No.
Okay. Yeah, thanks for the flashes, by the way. Thanks for the flashes. Yeah. Is it right if you do some more? Is it right if you do some more when you go into the bus yard?
I'm just going to park out and go home, mate.
Okay. All these seagulls started off with me. Yeah. I was just walking like one. Then they all started flocking around me thinking I was another seagull. And now they won't stop doing it. I'm also going to stay a short while I'm at it. There we go. Look how many bus tickets I found around the bus yard. I found 8 tickets from around the bus yard.
Another duty.
Oh, thank you. Oh, keep that. You might do some more flashes. Or you just want to get home now. You might just do some. Nope. But still, thanks for the flashes though. One is a very hard one though. Flash. Well, that's like flash actually. Ready for it? Mind the fence, mate. You'll go crash. You'll go crash into the fence. You'll go crash into the fence. You're far too close, mate. You idiot. Thanks so much for this, by the way. You thinking about it, He's really kind. He's not that kind. Oh, he's kinda. He's kinda the most we've received so far. Which is just these two. I better get home. I better get back. I've only got 2 minutes. And it's a 5-minute walk. I'm gonna be late. I refuse to leave until at least she's shut down. But she has. No, I think they've all settled down. I think they've all settled down now. That's good. And that's it for 10, 6, 8, 8. 48005. IJ15 AGZ. I might use that clip for a new intro actually. .48005. I might use that clip as an intro, not sure yet. Oh, that's a low seagull.